Continuing my discussion with Andy White from EasyVista, let's talk a little bit about EasyVista. Tell us a little bit about, what your philosophy is, where you come from, and what you're trying to do as an organisation.
I guess the key is kind of in the name. We want to make it easy. So we're in IT service management, IT asset management. So providing a lot of the foundations of incident, problem, change, request, config, right the way through to service catalog, self-service, automation tools for our client base.
Is that for any particular area of the market, or are you sort of small to medium to enterprise, or where are you pitched on that?
It's targeted at the enterprise, upper mid-market to enterprise clients. So typically we're dealing with organisations that employ 3,000 employees and upwards, some very large brand names that use our technology around the world. We're running now 11 hosting centres around the world and 2 cloud management centres, one in Europe, one in North America, to deal with the time zones. And it's our SaaS cloud-based business that's really accelerating very strongly.
So I mean, just a little bit about what makes you different. What's the EasyVista thing that separates you from the other organisations that are out there?
We're providing a cloud or on-premise based solution on one code base, with all of the services required in a modern day IT service management platform on one code base in a consolidated codeless environment. So we take away a lot of the complexity through codeless design, whether that be the programming of workflow or the integration to other assets within the organisation.
Okay, and on the cloud side, I mean, has that, it's a bad joke, I know, but has that bubble burst? Are we all in the same playing field there, or is there still a differentiator on cloud?
I think cloud is still accelerating very strongly. We see, I think fundamentally cloud is not for everybody, but for example, in our North American business, we see circa 80% of our business there is SaaS cloud-based. In Europe, it's about 50 to 60%. Both of those businesses are growing exponentially.
What's happening with EasyVista the next couple of years? Are you expanding? Are you going into different markets, or what?
Yeah, we're a publicly traded company, so a lot of our financials are publicly available. We're expanding. We've just finished our quarter, and our year was very successful. Growth in every region, double-digit growth in pretty much every region. Big investment in North American markets where we're seeing the most acceleration, again around our cloud, asset management and service management technologies. So we're going to be expanding both in continental Europe and North America.
What's the end game of this 2-3 years down the line?
Well, I think I like to suggest that we want to offer choice to our customer. There are many on-premise IT service management solutions. There are not many true cloud-based IT service management and asset management solutions, and we're clearly making very significant inroads in that area. But we also want to be better. I think we want to provide a service that is intuitive and easy for IT managers and IT leadership to use, and actually help them on this journey towards becoming this broker of IT, where we can actually manage the service management of the entire IT delivery and actually help IT regain control. I think there's a certain degree of lost control that's happened over the last 5 or 10 years to help them regain that governance and control back into the IT environment.
So you become the brokers for the brokership of IT.
Correct.
In the long term. Okay, well, I mean, good luck with that, and thanks for your insights.
Thanks, Barclay. Great to be here.